Sup guys, Vivi-chan here. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we're going to continue with Chainsaw Man and we're doing anime episode 11. Let's jump right in. Mature audiences. Alright, it's about to make the contract with the new devil. Future devil, right? But what will he sacrifice? He only has 2 years left, so I feel like half his life, 1 year is, I don't know, it's super precious. Does he want to give 1 year? If it's super strong, then will he need his eyes? Okay, let's see. Man, Aki's eyes have like no soul. They look just as dead as the devil. Oh shoot, it's the thing in the opening that was dancing. The future rules. It's totally different from what I imagined, but then it kind of matches what it was in the opening. But I thought the opening was just like, a funny little dance thing. It looked like a meme. Alright, and then we have Shibe in the opening. I really want to watch the video where it shows like where all of these where the opening gets all of its reference from, the movies. Yeah. Da 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 da. Like right now I'm like genuinely watching the opening. Pictures. Was she feeding him? Because I thought she was just growing something, but it kind of looked, I don't know, maybe it was just like he's opening his mouth and it looked like she's feeding him, but it's probably not. Dang, I just realized there's like 2 episodes left. This episode and the next one. We're so close to the end of the season. Right there, that thing. Jeez, let's go. It's totally not what I thought it would be. I mean, it feels all fun and stuff, but I feel like when it's gonna take your life, it's just gonna no hesitate. I love its voice. Oh, if I look at your future, help. What can he offer? Oh, he has to stick his head in there? Yikes. Your death in the future will effing rule. Yeah, don't spoil it, man. As long as I kill, the gun devil. Oh my gosh, how is he gonna die? But will that eye be in use? That's like the question. They got beat up again. This guy's ruthless. But he gotta be. Damn! Cut back a wig. I want to see his devil. Oh, yeah, we gotta question him. What'd you say? What didn't kill me made me stronger. Not so soon. That Kishime Sensei's face. Now reporting back. I can tell from your eyes. Aww. You knew it was going to happen? Damn, her face looked hella innocent, but the music is so creepy. Wow, she's like, I'll do whatever it takes, even if it sacrifices a few people. He doesn't buy that bullshit. There's something hella creepy about her. Oh my god, the red stains look like blood. Is this part of the mission? What? Oh, yeah, from the enemy side. Oh, I just realized he's the samurai guy. He can be brought back. Secret weapon. Is there like a vampire? A parting gift from death? An army of zombies. Oh shoot! Oh my god, who else is gonna die? Oh my god, it's gonna be one of them, the new Kyotos. We'll never meet again. I don't know. I mean, he's still Hillman in the base, kind of. Mm-hmm. That was nice. Yeah, but he's just saying what everyone's thinking. I'm not crazy enough to go after the gun devil, but I wish you luck. What? Wait. Oh, damn. We know what's gonna happen with them. Yeah, if you work in a gang or something, never give your real name. I just realized she's like the Death Note, right? She just give me your names and then I'll like wipe them off. You don't know who you're dealing with. You'll be dead by then. Mm. Like she's asking nicely. Necessary evil. That's her. She's necessary evil. I don't know. Like she's talking to the mafia or whatnot, right? It's like Yakuza. I thought there was gonna be a body part. It's a body part. Oh my god, she could kill them right now. They don't know how terrified she is. They're like, you know where you are, but she's like, you don't know me. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Flip, and I anticipated it too. I thought it'd be like a finger in there or something. Oh no, oh no, oh no! I'm scared! Wait, he's dead already? Yeah. Evil is in the eye of the beholder. To her, she's doing what is necessary. Oh my god, the mission is already starting. And the paintings on the wall is really creepy. They look like Yakuza red flowers, but you better not run off again, Power. I don't think she will this time, right? But with this anime, I don't know. Anything can happen. Alright, let's see Aki. Does he have an eye patch? Can he use his other eye? I mean, it looks fine. It's just hiding in there. Are we gonna see other divisions or only you? Yeah, you just don't let it hurt like outsiders, civilians. Yeah. Or like as they're battling, he's like gonna say an intro. Oh dang, I almost forgot about the zombies. A shark man? Buffet time. I didn't even realize we're gonna meet new friends this episode. I would love to see his interaction with Denji. A bird? Fine. Wear a mask. Oh. Like, I was like, he looks like a Katsuki. Not a Ambu, I mean. Oh my gosh, she looks like the ring girl. Oh my gosh, she can open up! She got a zipper! Wait, what? That she's the devil? Oh, the spider devil. Damn, our team looks so cute compared to them. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Ew, she eats. Oh my god, it's Angel Death, but why is she eating the head? Ugh. And then, are you gonna introduce Power and Denji? Oh my god. Wait, but Aki's using his sword. His eye? Let's. No change? He's just fighting with a sword? I can shorten your life with a touch? I love that she's an angel, but she's a devil. You that confident to go by yourself, eh? Poor Kobeni. Man, floors again. Level 8. I feel like if Aki uses the sword, it doesn't deplete his life. Only if he uses the devil's powers from the sword, then it activates, right? Like otherwise, it'd just be a normal sword. Makima's already there. Bye bye. Or is this the future? No, Makima, right? She got the names. Yeah. Damn, she make that look easy. I want the future devil to come out and start shaking. Oh my god, it's she. So he'll know where to hit. The observation hockey. Episode better not end. Fucking I was like, he needs to finish it off for Himeno, but then I'm like, how can you conclude this in the next episode? How to do this anime? Unless the next episode is like an hour long, but I doubt it. Man, at the end of everything, I should like react to all of the ending all at once again. Sorry. It's like cubes everywhere. I don't know, this like ending came and I just feel so obnoxious right now. Like I just feel like dancing. Like I wanna like jump. I have like a burst of energy. I'm waiting for something happen. How could you make us wait till next week? Ah. Oh yeah, next week is gonna be like, oh, it won't be Christmas. Christmas will be on Saturday. No, Sunday. Not enough Kobe ni. The only thing she said is I want to go home. Which I could totally relate with her on that. Is that blood or what's in the sky? Black and white. Oh man. Well, that is it for the episode. Well, the future rules with this episode because there was a lot of stuff going on in this episode that's there's some very interesting stuff that happened this episode, so let's talk about it. Oh my gosh, so much happened. But let's start with this thumbnail. Aki is going to visit the future devil, and this guy is pretty cool. Okay, he is totally not what I thought. Because like the first thing you see is that eyeball, so you're like, holy shoot, what's he gonna take? What's he gonna do to you? But he comes out and he's just like, and he's got like this joking manner, like he just wants to have some fun, right? And I'm not sure what to expect. I thought he was gonna be like, he's gonna switch it up and he's gonna turn super serious mode, but no, he just kept like this he was literally just having fun the whole time, and he didn't even take anything from Aki, but he says your future fucking rules, right? I was like, dang. Yeah, so it just makes me wonder what kind of death is Aki gonna get. Like, does he mean like the death is cool in terms of he's gonna have an awesome death, like it's like great to, or is it gonna be because of him he's gonna have like, I'm not sure. I don't think so, because like his power so far just lets Aki see into the future. And maybe like Aki's death is so freaking cool that he'll allow Aki to use it. It's just for 2 years, because maybe for other people they get to use them for way longer. Like one guy had to give up their eyes or eye, and the other person got half their lifespan. Which, depending how old they are, that could be like maybe up to 50 years or something. Because, you know, most people live to 100. Anyways, because the whole time I was like, oh, is Aki gonna look different? Is Aki gonna be missing an eye? But no, he has everything. This guy is cool enough to let Aki use his powers almost for free. But, you know, it's like the death is worth seeing. I mean, he almost spoiled it too. He was almost like, this is how you're gonna die. But Aki's just like, psh, I don't need to know. All I need is for you to help me get my targets. That's it. And then we jump back to Denji and Power. You can see like they've been training with the Kishibe sensei for a few days or something. It's at least a week, because he said later on, take a week's break, you're gonna need it. And I like the sensei, you know, he's the type of gruff guy that like, he acts like he doesn't care. He acts like he doesn't care about you, but he has a lot of heart, man. I like the part where Denji kind of says something like he wouldn't kill him in an actual fight, and you can see, even though his face is so deadpan the whole time, you can see he's starting to feel something, but he doesn't want to. Like the previous episode, he was telling them like, don't get emotions, don't get attached. But inside, you can see as he is talking to Makima, he admits that he likes these kids. Like, you know, he don't want to, like, but like they're starting to grow on him, and he likes them. And he warns Makima, you up to some shady stuff. You knew what was happening, what was going to happen with all the deaths and everything. Because I believe she got a promotion or something. You know, the guy 2-3 episodes back like resigned, so she got promoted up, and sensei basically told her, if you pull this shit again, I'm not gonna stand by this. And it's just like Makima's motives are kind of questionable. Like, I mean, in the end, I'm sure she's doing this for the good of humanity, to take down the gun devil and whatnot, but there's some, like they said, necessary evil. She will do whatever it takes to get the job done, even killing, like, she's the type of person who'll kill a small amount of people to save a whole bunch of people. I don't know, like, her face is too, like, you can't read her face. She has emotion, like, she smiles all the time, but it's like, what's behind the smile? What is she thinking? Like, next thing you know, she's in this room full of Yakuza or Japanese mafia, and you know, I'm like, wait, is she with the bad guy? But like, the boss is explaining, I wasn't with them, and like, you know, he's kind of like threatening her, you know what? But like, we know how scary Makima is. Like, I don't know if that guy had any powers, or I didn't know if that guy knew about Makima's powers. I figured he didn't, since you know, if you did know Makima's power, you would not be threatening her like that. So figured he didn't know. So yeah, the moment she pulled out the bag, I was like, oh shoot, there's some nasty stuff in there. I'm surprised that bag didn't drench with blood. Yeah, the guy and the boss assumed it'd be money or something in there, so he opens up, boom, a whole bunch of eyeballs, and you know, she just wants a list of names. You know, she politely asked, right? And some guy's about to like punch her, but you know, next thing you know, he's bleeding and he's down. You just assume, like, they don't show you what happened, but you can kind of assume they figured that she is terrifying, or I don't know if she killed everyone and like the people left just like gave her what she wanted. Like, we don't know what happened in there, but we do know she got the names, because as Aki was fighting the people in the hotel, they had the same nosebleed. Yeah, like, she walks out of there like easy peasy lemon squeezy, like her hair blowing in the wind. She's got like a slight happy smile, like she just had like a nice picnic or something. Like, it's just like a very simple, pleasant smile, but like the horrors behind everything she's done. Like, I'm just wondering, what is her devil power? Like, it seems like she can do so much. I'm just wondering if she has more than one devil, because it seems like Aki's got two devil, two or three. Like, I'm sure Kon is gone, so he's got two. So I'm sure he can get more than one contract. Anyways, as they start the next mission, we get introduced to some new characters. Sensei is talking to like the police, and I'm not sure if it was a different division guy or something, but he's like, basically everyone in this building is like, almost everyone in Division 4 is not human. So if they go down, we're basically dead, because they're the ones holding us. Like, they're crazy non-humans here. Like, if they don't make it, we ain't gonna make it out here. So, you know, police surrounded, make sure everything goes okay. And he starts kind of introducing, there's like a shark guy. he looks really cool, and he could like dive through the walls. And on occasion, his head actually turns into the shark, and he's like chomping away on zombie heads. And then we got some spider girl, spider devil. I guess kind of like power. Yeah, but it's a devil that's on our side. Damn, when her legs popped up as hands, ugh, I don't like spiders. I don't like creepy hands. This scary looking woman. Like, I saw zipper on her face and I was like, oh my gosh, she could open up or something nasty pop out. And then we got this, I forgot what they call him, the violent devil. The one I said who had the mask. And like, apparently he is so strong they have to have a gas mask on him. And finally, we get to see the angel devil. I don't know, like, she kind of looks like Makima at the same time. I wouldn't be surprised if she's like her sister. If they said, oh, that's Makima's sister, I wouldn't be so surprised. Just because they have pink hair. I don't know. It's just like my guess or whatever. Yeah, she didn't really say much, but she's just observing Aki's fight, and it's kind of impressive. Like, Aki is one of like 2 humans here. Kolbeni, I don't know what Kolbeni is gonna do here. Like, is she gonna be in the building or is she outside? Because I cannot imagine Kolbeni. Like, is she be in there and then she gets so crazy she just starts slashing at everyone. That's what I imagine her doing. And then, you know, Power and Denji are also slashing away. Yeah, I think it looks kind of funny when Denji is just using like an axe. Maybe you don't want to show his powers right off. Like, you don't ever want to. Yeah, going back to the Makima scene, like, don't tell people your real name. Because the moment she asked her name, like, a scene in Death Note appeared to me. Like, the scene where like the one lady wanting to see L, and then she bumped into Light, and Light makes up this like fake story just to get her name, and she actually gave a fake name, but later on she got tricked into giving a real name, and then, you know, Light does his famous like, I am. Maybe I shouldn't spoil this for people who haven't watched Death Note, but if you haven't, just go watch it. But like, I think that scene is just so creepy, and like when I was watching Makima ask for the names, that scene just like popped into my head. Anyways, Aki tells Denji and Power to not follow him, but like, let's go look for the snake woman and the samurai devil. Yeah, samurai devil is ready to kill Denji. Like, basically, like, they really want Pochita, Denji's heart. Denji's heart is Pochita. Yeah, for the gun devil. Like, yeah, basically we have to kill the snake woman and the samurai guy. That's why we're here. I'm not sure if they said we were gonna take them in for questioning or anything, but like, dead or alive, we gotta get them. I have no idea how this is gonna end next episode. Yeah, Aki, when he enters the room, he's face to face with the snake woman, and she just ghost kill him. Yeah, and at first, Aki is putting up a pretty good fight. I think it's really cool that the devils have blue blood, and it kind of explains that, like, he got a future sight, kind of like observation hockey similar thing. He can see a little bit into the future so he can anticipate the attacks, but, you know, this still didn't give him, like, strength. So even if you can see an attack coming, if you're not strong enough to, like, take it, then you're screwed. And as the snake is just choking him, we end off with another cliffhanger. It's like, why do this? Why end off on such a good... Every week, man, the cliffhanger devil gets ya. Man. Basically, this episode, I like the new devils. I already like Kishibe Sensei, but like, this episode solidified why he's such a great character. Like, he's giving me the Kakashi feels. Like, he's lost so many people in his life. He just treats his students like as cute. They're starting to grow on him, and like, I think that's just like a nice, sweet moment as compared to Makima, who's like, you know, super, super suspicious, giving me such creepy vibes. Like, it's very shady that she knew that the attack was coming. Like, she probably got a lot of sources. She's connected to the Yakuza, so she used this to her advantage, and just for a promotion, like, I don't know, it just leaves like a bad taste. I mean, in the end, you know, everyone wants the gun devil dead, so it's not really using, but it's like killing 2 birds, 1 stone, because that's still his job to get the gun devil, and the gun devil is after Denji anyway, so, you know. Does she have like a secret goal or mission that she's doing besides, like, you know, trying to get the gun devil? Like, I'm scared she could like switch sides, and then like, it's like, are people like, if Kishibe Sensei were to actually fight her, will he even be able to take her? We never seen Kishibe Sensei use his devil yet, so I don't know. He says he's the strongest around. Like, there's no one higher up stronger like, I don't know. I should probably stop talking because I have no idea. Yeah, and then I did my hair kind of like Aki styled, made it point up, but there's not enough to coat it up, so it's just a bush. Yeah, that sounds bad. Okay, yeah, that is it for the reaction. Feel free to let me know your comments and thoughts. What you thought about the episode? What you thought about the new devils? What you thought about Aki's new powers? What you think about Makima's shadiness? And what do you think is gonna happen? How do you feel about next episode being the last one in the series? I mean season, not series, season. Because we're probably gonna have to wait a year for the next. If next season comes half a year later, then the next season will be even further away. But if it's like they make it, if they time it all right, they can have one season each year. But like if they have it too soon, then the season after the next will be like delayed more. I don't know. It's I just don't want the video to end. Okay, that is it for the reaction. Feel free to let me know your comments and thoughts. I'll be sure to read them and see you guys for next reaction. Peace out.